Corning Cable Systems Unicam Connectors, the most widely used no epoxy, no polish connectors on the market, are now even better. In our ongoing effort to improve our products, we have made some changes to SC, ST, and LC Unicam connectors to make them even easier to install. The fiber lead-in tube of the SC, ST, and LC Unicam connectors has been enlarged by 40%, making it that much easier to insert the fiber into the connector. In addition, this larger lead-in tube has a new D shape that helps the connector seat within the tool even more smoothly. Finally, in anticipation of a new Unicam connector installation tool coming in early 2007, we've made some modifications to the dust caps used on Unicam ST and LC connectors, adding a new black load adapter dust cap. These changes do require some minor changes to the critical steps used to install ST and LC Unicam connectors with the current TKT Unicam installation tool. This video will outline these critical steps for you. Note, there are no changes to the critical steps for installing an SC Unicam connector. First, let's install a new Unicam ST connector using the TKT Unicam installation tool with the continuity test set. The continuity test set provides instant visual feedback of a good connection and is always recommended when installing Unicam connectors. With your new Unicam ST connector in hand, first remove the clear dust cap at the tip of the connector ferrule. You should retain this dust cap for use after the connector installation is complete if you are not immediately placing the connector into a panel. Next, remove the new black load adapter dust cap. You may discard this black load adapter dust cap. Using the ST adapter provided with your continuity test set, connect the Unicam ST connector to the CTS. Place the connector into the installation tool. The remainder of the Unicam connector installation proceeds as usual. The same steps are used when installing a new Unicam LC connector using the TKT Unicam installation tool. First, remove the clear dust cap and retain it for use later. Remove and discard the new black load adapter dust cap. Attach the continuity test set to the LC connector and place the connector into the installation tool, proceeding as usual with your installation. If you have a TKT Unicam installation tool without a continuity test set, you will use a slightly different sequence of steps to install the new LC and ST Unicam connectors. First, when installing a new Unicam ST connector, leave both the clear ferrule end dust cap and the black load adapter dust cap in place. Place the connector into the installation tool and proceed with the installation as usual. Once you have successfully installed the connector, remove it from the tool. Remove the black load adapter dust cap and discard it. If you are not immediately installing the connector into a panel, leave the clear ferrule end dust cap in place. Otherwise, remove and discard it. The same steps are also true when installing a new Unicam LC connector without the continuity test set. Leave both dust caps in place, place the connector into the tool, and proceed with the installation as usual. Once the installation of the connector is complete, remove the black load adapter dust cap and discard it. If you are immediately installing the connector into a panel, remove the clear ferrule end dust cap. Otherwise, leave it in place. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact our award-winning customer service team at 1-800-743-2671. And thank you for being a valued Corning Unicam Connectors customer.